All right, you can be on camera. You want to be on camera? Let's see what you got. You just gotta get cuddly again. You just said you want to be on the camera. You just open it up. Are you excited for your little sister to come? You excited for the baby? Yes. What, a little bit? You excited? Are you excited a little bit?
Okay.
Where are you going? What, you gonna drink? Whoa, there's a lot of coffee in there still. Yeah, Grandma left her coffee. Huh? You know what else is gonna do today? And hopefully we don't have to worry about the two coming together. There's gonna be a big snowstorm today. Where's the snow gonna go?
Yeah.
Yeah, out there in the driveway. Yes. Are you gonna help Daddy do the shoveling? I didn't hear you. Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Now you have to. It's on camera. It's on camera. You're gonna help me shovel. So, are you gonna be the best big brother?
Yes.
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 What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give your sister kisses? Are you gonna give your sister hugs?
Yes.
Are you gonna give your sister loving?
Yes.
Are you gonna sing to your sister?
Yes.
Are you going to teach your sister to walk?
Yes.
Are you going to teach your sister to laugh?
Yes.
Are you going to just be the sweetest little boy?
Yes.
Yeah, are you going to nuzzle in my beard? I like that. You know, you're a very good boy.
Yes.
Yes, you are. We're over here now. Whoa. Are we moving in closer? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's coming to get you. All right. Anything else you want to say? Yes? What else do you want to say?
Yes.
That you want to say that you love Mommy? What's that?
Yes.
You love Mommy?
Yep.
Yep. So do I. Do you love Grandpa and Grandma?
Yes.
Yes. Do you love both of them? Granny and Grampy?
Yes.
Yes. Do you love their new house? Yes. All right, buddy. Do you have Bear? Where's Bear?
Yes.
Is that Bear?
Yes.
Yes. What do you have on your pajamas? Dinosaurs? Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, the blue one, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. What does Tyrannosaurus Rex say? What does Balto say?
Yes.
Please? Oh, what? Now you want to watch Balto?
Yes.
Maybe we can do that. I think that's a good idea. All right. You want to say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say it again. You can do it. You can do it.
Bye.